Want to program your Nissan NV key fob yourself? This video shows you how. The 2012-2019 Nissan NV uses a 314 MHz RF key fob. You can program it yourself using a simple procedure. Here's what you need to know before you start. Ensure you have a compatible key fob, either an OEM Nissan fob or a reputable aftermarket brand like Keyless Ride. Make sure the fob has a good battery, CR2032. Be ready to work quickly as the programming window is short. It is recommended that you are inside the vehicle with all doors closed. Start by inserting the key into the ignition switch, but do not start the engine. Turn the key from off to on 3 times within 10 seconds. On the third cycle, leave the key in the on position. Immediately press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 1 to 3 seconds. Listen for the horn to chirp, confirming synchronization. Repeat the lock button press for any additional key fobs within 30 seconds. You can program up to 4 fobs total. Finally, turn the key back to off to exit programming mode. If programming doesn't work, double-check the key fob battery, try the sequence again quickly, and ensure no electronic interference is nearby. If issues persist, a locksmith or mechanic can help. Aftermarket kits and phone apps are also available for assistance.